Right. So what we have here is table 12.5 visualized. So what we have here is the price in dollars, the quantity. Uh, this is the social demand curve, and we have two different supply curves. We have the supply without the social cost, which is the CO2 emissions because they're harmful to the environment, and we have the supply curve with the social cost. And the CO2 emissions are an example of a negative externality. What negative externality is a product that has a cost other than the cost of production or the cost between the transaction of the things. And so we're also identify the equilibrium. So we're going to deal with both supply curves. So let's start with the one without the social cost. What would be happening is